Hey, hey, hey. Thank you very much. I'm sure there's always something that we are looking forward to, something exciting, something beautiful. I don't know what you're waiting for, what you're looking forward to, but I have a lot. I have a big list. So I'm going to do a second song that I titled Waiting, but at the same time saying, you know how I always argued with my mom to say, elders have a saying for everything, so long as they can bend it towards their direction of reasoning. So when they want you to stay home, they have a saying for it. When they want you to not stay at home, they have a saying for it. So I want to play this song, and it's titled Kwano. But before I do that, I'll do a song titled Waiting. What are you waiting for? I've been waiting, I've been waiting, I've been waiting for this day to come for all my life. Just be patient, find serenity. We've been waiting for this day to come for all our lives. I've been waiting, I've been waiting, I've been waiting for this day to come for all my life. Just be patient, find serenity. We've been waiting for this day to come for all our lives. Siku ilija lidikilila tali mbekeza o Tadiki life Siku ilija lidikilila tali mbekeza o Take a leap of faith while the door is open. Tango de kankanda oyelau. We've been waiting for this day to come for all our lives. Thank you very much. I just heard my son shouting, "Good job." Yes, boy. Wow. Man.
I think we can do better. A round of applause again. So to those who are just joining us, welcome to Walo, Mbili, Ndinyimbo. Walo basically is a space like this where we sit, we learn, we remind each other of Malawi's history. And when you look around, you see that almost everything is engraved with Malawian culture. From the clay pots that are holding the flowers over there, to mikeka imene tukuionao, to zimene mukujelazo malijelo malijelo aja nsengwa pamenepo nsengwa, and we have these that you can actually see kuti munthu anaumba ndikupanga bwinobwino. So this is what Walo is about. And welcome to Kaduya Imperial Hotel. All right, so as mentioned, 1 minute to pick up mene. Geography aba malobano. These are the ladies, timalowera ababa, and kuseli ukoko tikaloa paka wo ababa, kuseli go the gents. So I don't know if you actually noticed when I was introducing our topic or our theme. There was something that I said. I'm not sure if it's actually something that you noticed, but if you did, please let me know. You are not here. That's all right. So I said Walo, Mbili, Ndinyimbo. But when you see in our culture, right, in our language, you can hardly tell an L from an R. It's basically the same. Maliro, and no one is going to object. Maliro, and no one is going to object. Exactly, Balot traffic. No one is going to object. They actually know where they're actually going, right? Exactly. All right, but in English, an L and an R are different. When you say read, you're reading. When you say lead, you're leading someone. All right. So that's something that you have to know about the Malawian culture and basically our language, Chichewa. Like I mentioned, this is Walo, where we talk about our history of Malawi. I believe Faith is also going to go for it, and he's going to tell it through his music. And I believe you're having a good time. Like I mentioned, the snacks are free. However, the heavy foods are available to order on cash as well as our bar. Zikomo and have a good time. Faith.
Thank you very much, Harmony. Okay, ndaona nkhope zingapo munomo. Kodi anzangu chizungwele English, eh? Sure. Okay. I've seen so many faces here of people who know a lot about culture and Chichewa. So I want to pose a question. If you were to make a choice, what would you rather have? A foolish friend or a clever enemy? Between these two, which one is the most ideal? A foolish friend or a clever enemy? A clever enemy? You would choose a clever enemy over a foolish friend? Sure. Okay. Okay, we'll find out. The song that I'm going to share next is titled Kwano. Harmony talked about Malawi and where we come from, our culture. I come from Malawi, and I've always been proud of it. And traveling all over the world making music has taken me to spaces where I just want to celebrate this. There's enough of everybody out there, and there's not much of us. So I'm going to share a song titled Kwano. East or west, home is best. I wrote this song while I was on tour in Norway, and someone told me that I should say, Budebra Menyama Bas. Kwano Kwano. Ntengo Mdalaga Njoga. When I get to some place, I want us to sing together. Can we sing together? So now, let me just be sure that you're not going to leave me alone. This is what I'm going to say. I'll go like this. Kwanu, kwanu, tingo monala. Can you go like njoka, njoka? Can you do that? If I go, kwanu, kwanu, tingo monala. Njoka, njoka. Kwanu, kwanu, tingo monala. Njoka, njoka. Wewe majanguru. Njoka, njoka. Tamfana hiyo? But by the end of the song, I want you to make a decision. Foolish friend or clever enemy? Now listen to this. Close friends make close enemies. A stranger has nothing to gain. Choose friends wisely. Bad company corrupts good morals. It doesn't matter how strong you think you are. Mimbulu ima kuja na utawa. Chitengo cha mulambe chikulilenji. Amapesa tiga nkwangwa. Ndiye bangono, bangono. Umapita weka, bangono. Sajita kukusaka, bangono. Umalawa weka, bangono. Bangono mwana wanga, bangono. Chimoli mako kwanu tengo monalaka kwanu tengo monalaka yakale galu amene amanyada pakwao waeni ibekuwe monalaka kwamaliza kwanu tengo monalaka kwanu tengo monalaka kwanu tengo monalaka kwanu tengo monalaka chongololo zilimo muno nanga malikwelu alimo muno malikwelu likwelu lino ndendi limodzi lenilene akuluakulu zinthu zaje kwanu tengo monalaka kwanu tengo monalaka ngakale galu amene amanyada pakwao waeni ibenkuwe monalaka kwanu tengo monalaka kwanu tengo monalaka ngakale amene amanyada pakwao waeni ibenkuwe monalaka tunanga right. If you have ever left Malawi and gone somewhere else to work, you will understand the depth of Nguwe, kumveka bwino kwanu. You know, sometimes zimezi sumaziganizira right? Until you are not home at all. Somewhere around 2013, I released an album. I was fresh from uni, and it's funny that that's where my friendship with Dengulan Somba started. I'm sure if he's here, he can appreciate that we met on the corridors of Chilunga. And it was such a beautiful place. It was a beautiful time. I think everyone who's been there can agree that Chanko can shape you into something. So while I was schooling there, I wrote an album which I released soon after I finished. And this was one of the tracks from that album. Going back to 2013. Chumendili nacho chokila kwai kale magitala ndikuimba imilai sikulu yose yomeda punzilai yamegai kale magitala ndikuimba imbilai nindili desperate for your love, desperate for your way, desperate for your touch, really desperate. desperate, nearly desperate. Nearly desperate, nearly desperate, nearly desperate. Nearly desperate, nearly desperate, nearly desperate. Tumikira no tima wanga tupiranga zonse tumikira no kale nyimbo zomwe ndizaimbe zaimbirayo kufuna mbuye mukamandibona kuti ngomwedulira ine ndili desperate for your love, ndili desperate for you, ndili desperate for your touch, ndili desperate. Desperate for your love, desperate for your hate, desperate for your touch, desperate. Jesus said, "My name, one day I will just rule." And they wanna be good, well I believe, God them bella, desperate. Can't let my love, send it to one more put him away. Really desperate for your love, really desperate for your hand, really desperate for your touch, really desperate, really desperate for your love, really desperate for your hand, really desperate for your touch, really desperate, desperate for you. Really desperate for you. Really desperate for you. Really desperate for you. For you, for you, for you, really desperate for you, for you, for you, really desperate for you, for you, for you. Thank you very much.
All right, another round of applause for Faith, please. Thank you. So as mentioned, Tilibabwalo, where we're learning about Malawi and storytelling through faith music. However, ifeyo tanakuti panopa Tiliba Kaduya Imperial. Ndeti mafuna tatene ya manager atu kuti atiuze more about Kaduya Imperial and why we are hosting this event called Walo. May we please give a round of applause for Jesse.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to Kaduya Imperial Hotel. We are so delighted to have you with us tonight for Bwalo, Mbili Ndinyimbo. An experience that reflects what Kaduya stands for, celebrating Africa, our culture, our creativity, and our heritage. We hope tonight gives you a taste of what Kaduya is all about, and we would love to welcome you back, perhaps for dinner, a stay, or simply another opportunity to experience Africa with us. Please relax, enjoy the music, enjoy the evening, and make yourself at home. Thank you for joining us, and now back to our host. Thank you.
Please, a round of applause for Jesse. Thank you. And we'll have Dr. Chinguo on stage. And he'll give us just a brief of another fun fact about Malawi in just 2 minutes. And then Faith is going to take it through. Please, a round of applause as it comes to the stage.
Thank you. Right. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, we are enjoying this evening. I hope so. All right. Yeah, it can't get better than this. All right. I'm standing here representing the Lost History Foundation. The Lost History Foundation is an organization that is into the history of the continent of Africa and also digging about Malawi. And we are excited that the management of Kaduya Imperial Hotel, in collaboration with the Lost History Foundation, decided to come up with this concept of Bwalo, Mbiri, where we enjoy the music and in the process we are also sharing the history of Africa, the history of Malawi, and so on and so forth. So for us is an excitement that a dream has come true, that a concept that was hatched to showcase our history and enjoy the music has come to fruition. And that should be a credit to the management of Kaduya Imperial Hotel, as well as the Lost History Foundation, where we are coming from. So briefly, before we proceed with the music, is to share that we have done some research on the name itself of our country, Malawi, where it comes from, and what it means, and also what we have not been taught, most of us in schools, because quite often the narrative that we are presented is that we didn't have the history before the Europeans arrived around 1850-something, 1860-something, the first missionaries to arrive in Malawi, 1861. And we didn't have the history before the Arabs came and introduced the East African slave trade and established some settlements in the country. So we are challenging that narrative to say, no, before the Arabs, before the Europeans arrived, we had the history that goes way beyond or as far as we can not even recall or remember. For example, we are talking about this evening the history of the Malawi kingdom. Others talk about the Maravi kingdom, which was a misspelling of the Portuguese because they didn't have the letter W. So when they heard about this kingdom, Malawi, because they didn't have W at that time in the Portuguese language, so they put a V. And from our language, even today, there is a little differentiation between L and R. You find the name Pirirani, others will put an R, others will put an L. It depends from where you stand. So for the Portuguese, when they heard Malawi, they put the R and then the V at the end because they didn't have W to call it Malawi Kingdom. So that's how we have Maravi Kingdom. But in essence, this is Malawi Kingdom. And we have a distinguished scholar from Malawi, Professor Juaye, who did a wonderful study of archaeology in Mankamba, somewhere in Dedza, where we used to have the capital of this kingdom called Malawi Kingdom, and where excavations were made to demonstrate that as far as 1300s, 1400s, 1500s, when we had the Ming dynasty in China. Around those years, there was trade between the people in Malawi from the capital Mankamba and China, because he was able to excavate items that were only being manufactured in China. And to find them in Mankamba, it demonstrates that there was that interaction with regards to trade for those items which are only or were only manufactured in China to be found in Mankamba. And that is way, way, way before the Europeans and the Arabs arrived. And there's also copper that was found by Professor Juaye in Mankamba to demonstrate that there was trade, international trade, because we don't have copper in Malawi, but copper comes from surrounding areas like Zambia. So we are here to share that kind of history, that wonderful history that goes far before the arrival of the Europeans and the Arabs in our country, and more specifically the history of Malawi, the kingdom whose capital at some point was at Mankamba. So a lot to share this evening, but for the time being, allow me to stop here and we continue to enjoy the music, and wishing you a lovely, lovely evening as we enjoy the music and the food and everything. Many thanks. Back to the...
I believe a lot of us did not know about the Maravi kingdom. You can be honest. Thank you so much. So, as mentioned, Bwalo Mbiri Ndinyimbo is going to be happening monthly here at Kaduya Imperial. So this is not the first or last, but it's just the beginning of something great that you're going to see through storytelling and music itself. And we mentioned that it's just going to run for an hour, and we'll strictly do that. So tonight, I've been your host, Harmony Soko Zimba, and we'll go with Faith to finish off the program. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. So, people have asked me so many questions over the years. How do you come up with the songs? Like, what drives the music? What makes you write what you're writing? Why are you singing what you're singing? So, I'm a musician, but I'm also a farmer at heart. I'm a farmer of trees. And one time when I was at the farm, a group of women were walking and going to a wedding. And they were singing beautifully. And I was like, wow, this sound is amazing. I really wanted to talk to them. So I did. So I asked them to sing this song that they were singing. I said, I want to record it. I want to record it. This is so beautiful. I want to hear it. I want to try my best to make sure that people can hear you. I know that people know this song already, but I want to collaborate with you. So we did a song together with these women from Mchinji, from Mulanga village.
Times are bad and we know that.
Mananga ukupita uko chimwemwe ndichisoni zakwira mtima wanga. Times are bad and we know that. Pamene ukupita iwe kumaka bempera uko sinkufuna ndizalire mwana wanga usarija lowelela dede kumaka bempera uko sinkufuna ndizalire mwana wanga osatintalowelela dede nikumaka bempera uko nikumaka bempera uko sinkufuna ndizalire mwana wanga osarija lowelela dede osarija lowelela dede kumene ukupita uko iwe ukazasochera. Just follow the light, follow the fire. Kumene ndingoyimba ndati kumaka bempera uko sinkufuna ndizalire mwana wanga osarija lowelela dede nikumaka bempera uko usarija lowelele sinkufuna ndizalire mwana wanga sinkufuna ndizalire mwana wanga. Ndokolonzi ndaiva noru. Hey. Sinkufuna ndizalire mwana wanga. Usarija lowelela dede. 'Cause I don't wanna lose you, baby. Usarija lowelela dede. Thank you very much. I think you can clap hands for yourselves as well. You sounded amazing. So, growing up and making music has been amazing. I started doing music in the family, and that's why I'm so excited that today my brother is here, because I think music would not be music if it was not for him. So, big hand for my brother as well. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. The next song that I'm going to share with you, You know, like I say that I love to play around with my band up here. So this song, I made it when I realized that I could not always travel with my band, but I needed to play this song. So we're gonna create it together right here on stage. Are you ready? Okay. So the first part that we have started, this one is the one who keeps the beat. Mfana wamanjerenjeza, tukumvana hichi. Wamanjerenjeza ndamena masunga chani kodi. Uisunga nyimbo. Ukumvesera atweni. Tamango vomera. Ndeno panza Afrika no fana no wajani. Ehe. Amene wamangonjezera kena kache. Sama yonjika zambiri yayi. Pang'ono tweti. Ndapa mafunika wina wache wa mulindima. Sipano mawazo wa mulindima. Mulindima mubuzo wa mulindima ino. Mulindima ama uponda ni mwendo choni. Amene masunga chani kodi mtima wa nyimbo. Kama bwana wina wache wa Beru. Sama imba kwa mbili ya. Pang'ono twe. Ama ngodusa. Ngati sakufuna ya. Ndekuma kabwana no mwini wache wachani kodi. Wabanjo. Wa gitara la chirolira ngati chani kodi. Chisulo. Koma makonzeka ino. Ndakoma bwana wina wache wa Babaton. Mwezi wa Babaton. Pamutsivano anzanga pamutsivano inosipa kalite ai Pamutsivano anzanga pamutsivano inosipa kalite Pamutsivano anzanga pamutsivano inosipa kalite Ambuya natiana chinthu china chake mwakonzeka izi koma ndimandalira inutu afa muzingobwereza koma nune chizimba chonse sipokalitsa pano sipokalitsa pano sipokalitsa pano ndati sipokalitsa koma simukumveka abale inutaimbani moyamba kumveka I think tisima yalowamo ndati sipokalitsa sipokalitsa okay ndeno maziwa ukakhala kuti unachonako pena pake kanthawi kena kake nyimbo yake pali nyimbo yake ready apiri anabwera kuchoka ku Harare ubwera kumeneko anabwera ndi suitcase apiri anabwera kuchoka ku Harare ubwera kumeneko anabwera ndi suitcase koma nkati mwa suitcase munalibe kanthu shuwa ati nkati mwa suitcase munalibe kanthu shuwa apiri anaganiza kuti ndidzaenda kuti makolo anga onse anamwalira moyenda apiri anaganiza kuti ndidzaenda kuti makolo anga onse anamwalira moyenda somewhere around 2013 when I finished that album, and then we did another song, another album for 2015, and we titled it Deeply. But when we were writing this album, there was a lot going on. My mother is from the south, among the Lomwe people. But my father is from the lake, among the Yao people. Now, among the Yao people, we dance, man, we dance. And we have our attire that goes with it. I didn't like my mama, so I said, how can I bring these two together? So I wrote this song, bringing in my father's heritage and my mama's heritage. And I titled it Indeed. Kwa nyimbo imati kafika pena pake mafuna kuimbira limozi, ndamuzibweleza zomwe ndikutani kodi. Apa palikuwa ya bwino kwambiri apa. Aish. inu. Ndadidi maina nindidi. Maina nindidi. Waina niyesi maina nindidi. Waina niyesi maina nindidi. Makonzeka kuimba nane. Munalonjeza atu munalonjeza. Ayasa tunena pano. Nzenga ni maketa. Nabano. Nzenga tunagenda. Ana mumbu na satana. Ana mufoto goza. Ayasa tunena pano. Nzenga kuchikweza. Ana mukutula satana. Ana mufoto goza. Janari mukala oyamba kuchimvera atwete sichinayimbepo nyimbo inde muchikhululukire chikaponya atwete inde muchikhululukire. Koma sichimangolira atu inu mwambo wake Makonzeka koma. Chiri bwinotu kwambiri chiri bwinotu chimene munthu amene ati iwe patireki koma patireki. Unaona anthu ena ake ufuna uzomango kamba zaine basi. Tauzeni kuti ukanena zaine utopa. Ukakamba zaine uchedwa. Tazingo susani ndiwozo. Tazingo bwira ni nchelewo. Hanena zaine mutopai. Hanena zaine mutopai. Tazingo kwirani nchitoyo. Kakamba zaine mutopai. Kakamba zaine mutopai. Hanena zaine mutopai. Hanena zaine mutopai. Hanena zaine mutopai. Thank you very much. My name is Faith Mose and God bless you. God bless you so much.
been a beautiful, beautiful evening. I believe you can attest to that. Well, maybe it's up to you, but well, we know we've enjoyed and we've had a very good time. Thank you so much, Faith. So, Faith, we know that today is your birthday. And Kaduya Imperial has a gift for you. Are you ready, guys? Tikwenda tisangale katundu abo meti. Eh? Oh, really? No. All right. We can sing along. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? You now. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. All right, so before we leave, we are going to have a tour of our hotel, and our manager Jess is going to take us through that. I believe by tomorrow you would want to book and want to make your stay here. Thank you so much. Good evening.
Ai musiba mavutiko. Vipi mavutiko? Komandani wangu akatokwenda mapenzeka. Iya ipanali. Iya mzee. Hau ya TPP no kuti basachibanga chosa kitosa bana ufuzi bana ndioji. Sibakubi sawa ndeka kuli na ndio. Chambazo kwenda. Sisi penzeka. Ukauza tambi ya ndio inwe. Okay. Ifana kuna kuti attraffic akuba. Ngona traffic akuba. Ndio kumeko. Nani marufuku what traffic kuno watu sisi hapa. So yefu ndio kuta. Insurance marangizo hapo ino kwa basi. Marangizo hapo ino kwa basi. Nei uyo zatu ya kupereka kera ka 20,000. Twende hii ndiko basani fodi mwanduza zofunikira. Hani wewe nani bwana? Aibo. Ino. Kusaisa kuna. Drama uyamiki. Oh. Anitandiza. Ababa think mawa kukamacha. Kwa mangano hizi. Okay, pesa bado. Ila hadi nyosima nduze. Hizi sisi kadana. IG apende mwapa ngalipeta nyamata kuna choki ku traffic mwabwezere sana watu kifuaje wati sana hapo mtu uja apata kuti mwandira kizabino ino mwandira kizabino mkoya mimi kwata hapa kwanta ndi huyu wala wajani kala kwa yemi kimozi wakula kurona kuti Chino inakali hapa tusafuta 56,000 kwa 3 months. Yes. Ona nakula san 20 ndio kubiera ula sababu ya sababu. Sasa wapanga zimene zoya. Kwa kwenda babele. Ndipo that guy hapa kwende ndo. Famu tujani walangiza malangizo mpamvu kwa bibi. Kama kula ndalama. Msiana kule. Msiana kule. Ndalama wala ndia ita. Kwa hiyo josuza madenga zipo. Kama madenga ifole bwana ajana nena kuti chief mwandithandiza. Mungu yangu azoseza I think inendi kwenda ndani. Tokoza. Tokoza. Sisi matengera kuti ni ndama zingati. Iya nenda uzi bano. Officer saja hapa limpi. Mtu ya mkweza udi. Amamulangiza. Sinali insurance. Civic education. Kumana uyasikupa. Sinali corruption.
I think imene kumbusa zinthu zina somonga ngati a police iye ujana kwira ntchito yabwino kwambiri pali iye na police amangofikira kungukugwira nazombe pali zinthu zina polisi tikungoyenera kungolangiza tamwene apapa mupange
Exactly.